They still playing that music. What is going on? What is going on? These people is crazy. They is crazy. Oh, there we go. Found my car this time. Let's get y'all plugged up so the dang battery don't die. Shout out to the 53 people we still got in here rocking out. If you stayed in here the whole time during this muted shopping, thank you. And hit that like button. You the real MVP. Shout out to you. Plug you back up real quick. Boom. We good now. I swear that GPS, I swear when I got this order, it said 20 something for 2 miles, right? Okay, well it's saying 2.4 miles, so we must be good. Let's head out and get this thing done. So how long did it take me to shop that order, guys? Let me know. I can't tell because this live stream keep on restarting every time it lose connection and then reconnect. It restart the time on the live